Hi, my name is Susan, and I'm here to talk about Herbishh shampoo dye. I have very fine hair and lots of silver hair, and I would use other dyes. I got scared. Even one time my hair started falling out, so I quit dyeing it because I just thought there was no product out here I could use. So I looked a lot on the web, and I found this product, Herbishh shampoo, and boy, does it work. Plus it worked without pneumonia or paraffin. This is what my hair used to look like before I even used it. This is what I had to live with. I was very conscious of it, and it made me feel dumpy and old. So I thought I'd give it a try. But it took 20 minutes, so I figure, you know what? I'm going to give it a try. And after I did, this is what my hair looked like. Look how shiny and just manageable, beautiful black. Every silver hair was covered. Everyone. And I usually don't do this kind of thing, video and stuff, but I believe in this product that much that I decided I need to tell people out there about this product. It has lots of colors, and it's so easy to use. All you do, shampoo your hair with it. It comes with gloves, you don't need that. And it comes with beautiful conditioner. And this all happens in 20 minutes. No mixing and nothing. You just put it on your hair, let it sit 20 minutes, rinse it out, put on your conditioner. One thing I did do, I did put on my conditioner and put a cap, plastic cap on it, and I let it sit for half an hour. And I took it off, and this rinsed it, and this is what I got. I couldn't believe it. I wish I would have found this sooner than I did, but I'm sold, and it didn't bother my scalp. It didn't feel like nothing. And as I talked, I'm telling you, I watched it already, and it doesn't fade or anything. This is really good stuff, and I really hope you guys will try it, because it's the truth, and the reviews are great. And like I say, I don't do stuff like this very often, but this product helped me so much, made me feel better, because I don't look dumpy or, and I didn't have to take hours and hours to do it. It was 20 minutes, and that's it. So please try this, because you'll be happy with it. And they're really good. If you have any questions, they'll answer it to you very quickly. I asked them a question, and about 5 minutes I got the answer. So if you have any questions, reach out to them, and they'll help you as much as they can. But please try this product. You'll really like it.